Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony Vijay. Today we are going to discuss about operators in C++ programming. When I talk about operators, it can be used to perform various operations on variables and values. There are various types of operators are available in C++ programming, that are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, increment and decrement operators, bitwise operators, and finally special operators. So first of all, I am going to explain about arithmetic operators. So here in order to do C++ program, we have to include the header file iostream, include iostream. Then the second line must be using namespace std. So this line is used to avoid name collision. So this line is mandatory. Then I have to use main function with a return type integer. So opening a curly braces. Now I am going to declare a variable a comma b comma c. First of all, I am going to explain about addition operation. Here I have declared three variables. So it means I am going to do addition of two numbers. It means c is equal to a plus b. So before that I am using cout. Cout is an object of output stream. So actually there are two streams are available in iostream, that is input stream and output stream. So under output stream, cout is an object. Okay. So using this object only we will be going to print something in the screen. For that we need insertion operator. Insertion operator means we have to use 2 times less than symbol we have to use. After that we have to mention double quotes. So within the double quotes we have to mention some text that will be shown in the screen. So here I am typing enter the value for a and b and end with a semicolon. So before that I just put one slash in here. Okay. Then I am using cin. So cin is an object of input stream. It is used to give input to the computer. So for that I am using extraction operator. Extraction operator means here we have to use 2 times greater than symbol. So this is mandatory for cout and cin we have to use. And here we are giving value for a and b. So I am using a. Once again I am using this extraction operator, then b, end with the semicolon. This is the syntax for cin. Okay. If you mention like this, we can give input to the a and b. So after that we have to mention the equation c equal to a plus b, end with the semicolon. Now we can print the result. For that I am using cout with the insertion operator. Within double quotes we have to type the value of c is equal to. So once again we have to use the insertion operator and mention the variable where the result will be, and we have to end with the semicolon here. Okay, so this is what. Then we have to mention the return statement because we are using a main function with the return type integer. So we have to use return statement. I can use return 0. Okay. So end with semicolon. Now I just to show the result. See it. So see, so it is showing enter the value for a and b. So I am giving 10, then 20. So the value of c is 30. So this is what the result of addition operation. If you want to perform a subtraction operation, in the place of addition you have to replace with the minus. That's all. Same thing. Okay. No other changes. Once again I run the code. Okay. Enter the value for a and b. So once again I am giving 20 and 10 here. So the value of c is 10. It means 20 minus 10, it is 10. So now I am going to do multiplication operation. In the place of a minus I just want to replace with the multiplication. So I just run the code. See, I am giving 10, then 5, it must be 50. So this is what the result. Okay. So now I just going to show you how to do division operation. So in the place of multiplication, I just replace with the division operation. Okay, that's all. See the result. So I am giving 50, then 10. So 50 divided by 10, it is 5. So this is what the result of division. Okay. So the last operator under arithmetic operators is modulo operator. Okay, see the result of it. So these operators are called a binary operator because we are having two operands. If two operands are dealing with, it is called as binary operator. So here I am having 11, then 2. Usually modulo operator is used to finding the remainder. So here 11 modulo 2 means the remainder value will be 1. So see, the value of C is 1. This is what the result. So this is what the arithmetic operators. So guys, if you are having any queries in this topic, just mention in the comment box. I will clarify your doubts. And if you want to take any new topic, just mention it. I will cover in the upcoming session. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you very much for watching.